Alright, hey guys, I'm here in Golden Gate Park today in San Francisco. Got off work a little bit earlier. Well, not really, I started working at like 6:30 this morning so I could come out and enjoy the sun before it goes down. I feel like half my day now is all spent inside. Anyway, yeah, today I kind of wanted to walk around the park and look for some mushrooms. So it seems kind of like a strange hobby. Like, why would I get into mushrooms? Like, I spent all this time in Hong Kong coasteering, hiking, doing all these crazy things, and now I'm just studying mushrooms. I don't know, but you know, I have to say, I think my life here has gotten so boring that this is what I resort to now. But actually it's pretty interesting. Like, surprisingly, there's so many different species and so many different types of mushrooms that are edible and both poisonous that, I don't know, I found it really interesting. So I was just walking down here, and on my left I saw these, and somebody's already messed with these, it looks like, because I think there's part of one right there. And then there's these, what I believe are some type of bolete, not sure how to pronounce it, but it's got pores instead of gills, which is pretty interesting. These ones are pretty old. Ooh, really soggy. There's a couple over there. From what I read, a lot of these boletes, I really don't know how to say it. I hear it both ways sometimes. But a lot of these are edible. But again, you have to know exactly which kind you're picking. I don't know. Not an expert on this. But anyways, they were saying these type of mushrooms, when they get older, they get really soggy. So better to find young ones. And that one, oh, and when I felt it, it was like, it was really soggy. Like, it felt like touching a soaked bagel or something. You know, I think one thing that I do like about San Francisco is that it is still quite it's got a number of like natural places you can go and hang out in. I guess, yeah, similar to Hong Kong. I guess everywhere does. You just have to go out of your way sometimes. So I was walking down and I found another one of those this one is just like one of those white lawn mushrooms, I think. I'm not too sure what it is. A lot of bugs on it though. Oops, let's take a look. Ew. Firm stem on this. I have no idea what this one is. I don't know. There's a lot of like white mushrooms out there. Interesting. Okay, so just a few feet away from that, under this tree, there's a few more. It looks like the same type of white one. And then this one is interesting. I'm also not too sure what this is. Let's see, get it out of there. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. I'm just kind of scared of touching things because it's in the park and like there's a lot of like dogs that pee. So let's see. Let me take a stick and just turn this over. Yeah, I feel like people have been coming in here and playing with these mushrooms. I'm not the only one. But again, another type that I don't recognize. There's a handful of other ones here, and yeah, it looks like the same type of white ones. Now this one is a little different. but I think it's the same thing, just a little bit more firm. I don't know if I got that, but something keeps jumping in that lake and it keeps scaring me. Anyway, I was walking over here next to the lake, and I found a couple more mushrooms. These ones are growing on the base of the tree, and these are really interesting. They're like really soggy mushrooms. Let's see if I can find a clean stick or something, or maybe I'll just use my shoe here. But there's another smaller one down here, and when I squish it, you can see the moisture coming out of it. So cool. Now here's another cluster of some brown mushrooms. I don't know what these are either. Let's see. They're huge though. Let's see if I can... Oh, not what I wanted to do. Oh, they're filled with maggots. That's kind of gross. I don't know if you can see that. But that's one of the problems with, you know, finding or foraging for mushrooms. A lot of them have a lot of bugs in them. I really like the secluded feeling in this park, especially when you come up to some of the deeper parts of the park. And I mean, I can still hear cars, but there's almost no people here. I don't know why, but I always feel like, at least, well, when I was in Hong Kong, you know, I loved being around people. But since I've come back here, I just feel like I just want to get away and just kind of enjoy being by myself for a bit. I was just walking up here and realized I made a mistake. There's a coyote back there. I almost walked right into it. So going back down, and I guess I'll stay on the main path. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. It's getting late, so I'm gonna head back home now before it gets too late. So help me out, click the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.